In this video, I'm going to show how to participate in the AI World Cup 2018 that's going to be held in Kais, Daejeon, South Korea. So if you want to participate, you should follow a procedure that is something like this that I'm going to show to you. First, you come to the official website, aiworldcup.org, and you come to how to participate to follow their instructions. First thing they say to go to the sign up page. So we're going to the sign up page here, and we can follow the registration procedure. There are two options. You can register as a spectator or as a participant. Here we're gonna show the participant which information they ask. They ask a user ID, your password, your team name, your affiliation, if you're gonna participate in their poster presentation, or the number of team members that you have, who is your team leader, that's how they're gonna communicate with you, your email, and if you're coming to the event that's gonna be held August 20 to 22 in South Korea. If you're a student, if you're gonna attend a workshop, so you should put your information here and then click sign up as a participant. After that, you should keep reading here. They show what I said again here, and they put more information about if you're a participant, what information you should put, if you're a spectator, more information about the poster session here, the workshop timetable. So you should read that to get this information. Then we're gonna go to the fun part, that is to download the robot soccer simulator and run the example they provide. Here they get the simulator details, so we're gonna come here and it goes to their GitHub repository here. So we can see here that they say that the simulation program requires webbots. So we need to install webbots. To install webbots, you should come to the Cyberbotics website, to the download page, and here you can find the download link to download webbots. You should download the last version, the R2018A revised one. Here I'm in the Windows, but they also have the instructions for Linux, so don't need to worry about that. You click download. To download the simulator, the easiest way is going to release. So we're going to the release page as they put in the instructions. So come to release, and they have the version 0.5 release here, and you click here, zip. It's going to start to download. You see they already downloaded to show you how to use it. And you come back to the code, and you have the basic instructions on the README about the code. And you can find the wiki here where you have the game rules. It's a robot soccer game with 300 seconds, and you have some falls that happen if something, like if the robot's too close to some region or blocking the goal. So you should read these instructions. They also give more instructions about how to install webbots and how to use the AI World Cup program, but it's kind of straightforward, especially the webbots installation. After you install the webbots, you're gonna see that you should open the benchmark, and it's gonna look something like this. The webbot benchmark with some open world. Then after we finish downloading the test word, we're gonna need to unzip that. It's gonna be something like here that I downloaded in this folder. So we come to the test word, and I have the program here. What is important? This config.json is this program here. So you can configure the time, the game time, the false, if you want to happen or not, and choose your AI program, the team A that's gonna play, the team B that's gonna play. And if you're willing to participate in the AI commentator and AI reporter tasks, you should put your program in this line and this line respectively. So what you're gonna try to do right now, after download that, is to test this word. So we're gonna come to the webbot and try to open the word. So we're gonna come where I downloaded. That's this folder here. We have our test word. So we're gonna come to Word. We have two words here. You can see the AI Word Cup and the AI Word Cup Simple. So the AI Word Cup Simple is just like have simple graphics. So if you're running a deep learning algorithm that needs to train for a long time, it's faster. So I would advise you to use that. But here that we're testing, I'm going to open the normal word. Open the normal word, and I'm gonna wait until it loads. It's gonna load right now, finalizing the node. So if I run the simulation, I'm gonna run the program here, player rule base.py. This program I open already here. You can find the program actually here in the examples. Player rule based.py. So it's this program here. So you open here and you have the example that they provide, the variables, the functions. So you should pay attention to that. Read carefully. Here you're gonna just start and play the simulation. You see that two programs are playing against each other and they are the same code, so they probably do some mirrored things. And you see that there is a little bit drift because of the dynamics. You should control that, and the rules are gonna apply when robots are near the ball. So this is the environment that you're gonna use to your program. After you run, you should revert your world always. And you're gonna do a little fun test that's just to create a simple robot function, extra robot function, and try to run in the simulator. So come here to our player rule base.py. The players are defined here, the player functions in this rule-based algorithm. So you have the goalkeeper, the defender, and the midfielder that they used. So we're gonna create a test player that I already did the code. I'm gonna explain it quickly. So this test player receives the robot ID that I want. So he's gonna get the position of the ball, the X and the Y position of the ball, and it's gonna give to this function position, and he's just gonna try to follow the ball. So I defined it here, my test player, and here I'm going to comment the other functions, and I'm gonna just create my test player that's gonna be the robot 4. I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna run the simulation. After I run the simulation, you see that the robot 4 from both teams, because we're giving the same program to both teams, are trying to follow the ball. So you can do that, and you can make your change and train your solution to participate in the AI World Cup 2018. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all participating and showing your strategies in this year competition.